In this video, you're going to discover exactly what smart contracts are. I'm going to explain everything in dead simple terms that anyone can easily wrap their head around. You'll discover exactly why smart contracts are the backbone of Web 3.0. And I'll even show you 3 real-world examples of applications built with smart contracts. Applications that have already created trillions of dollars in real value in the real world. If you're new to the channel, my name's Alex Jackson and welcome to ThreeZero, where we explore the biggest opportunities in Web3. Together with my co-host Alex Yella, we've built multiple million-dollar businesses. We understand what drives real user behavior and adoption. So whether you're a builder, investor, or just getting started, this channel will help you understand, navigate, and profit in the exciting new frontier of Web3. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get ahead of the curve. Let's dive right in. So what exactly are smart contracts? Well, the easiest way to understand how a smart contract works is to picture a vending machine. A typical vending machine is programmed to allow certain actions or transactions to occur based on user input. These transactions are pre-programmed and they're fully deterministic. There's no margin for human error. For example, if a bottle of Coke costs $3 and you only input $1, then the machine will not execute the transaction and you're not going to receive your bottle of Coke. However, if you input $5, then you would receive your bottle of Coke and the appropriate amount of change, right? And that's all calculated in a deterministic way based on which coins are available in the machine and how much change is due. Similar to the way a vending machine works, smart contracts use digital if-then statements to perform logic. In other words, smart contracts are self-executing programs written in code. But instead of living inside a vending machine, like the program I just explained to you, the code sits on a decentralized computing platform, which is known as a blockchain. To understand exactly what a blockchain is and how it works, check out our video which explains blockchains. I'll drop a link in the description below this video. Now, one of the most popular blockchains that supports smart contracts is called Ethereum. On Ethereum, smart contracts are immutable, which means that once they've been deployed to the blockchain, they can't be modified. Other popular blockchains that support smart contracts include Solana, Polkadot, Tezos, Fantom, and Avalanche, each having their own unique characteristics, advantages, and trade-offs. Smart contracts on Ethereum can be written using a purpose-built, Turing-complete programming language that is known as Solidity. The smart contract code actually controls the terms and executions of an agreement between 2 or more parties. These transactions are then stored and executed on the blockchain, which means they're completely traceable, they're transparent, and they're also irreversible. The cool thing is, they don't rely on a third party or a centralized authority like a company or a corporation or government in order for the agreement to actually be executed and enforced. The trustless nature of smart contracts allows complete strangers or anonymous parties to execute transactions and agreements in a safe, secure, and efficient way. But why should you actually care about smart contracts and what can they even do? Let's look at some real-world examples of how people are using smart contracts right now in 2022. One of the most popular applications that uses smart contracts is called Uniswap, which is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange or DEX. Users can connect to Uniswap with a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, and then exchange between ERC20 tokens, which are tokens on Ethereum, without relying on the honesty of a third party or trusted intermediary. Instead of sending your money to a centralized exchange like Binance or KuCoin to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, with Uniswap, you actually retain custody of your own assets the whole time, and you have complete control of your private keys, which gives you the right to your coins. So this eliminates the risk of losing assets if a centralized exchange is hacked or they decide to run away with your money, which has happened many times in the past. Uniswap really is like a global, borderless, and permissionless exchange, which means there are no restrictions on who can trade. Users aren't required to sign up or provide any personal details and do KYC, which means anyone with a Web3 wallet and internet connection can participate. In May of 2021, $59.2 billion was traded on Uniswap v2 alone. And according to a report published by The Block Research, over $1 trillion was traded on similar DEX platforms in 2021. Pretty crazy, right? And this was all done using smart contracts. In future videos, I'll show you a step-by-step, how to set up your Web3 wallet and exchange tokens on Uniswap in less than 5 minutes. But first, if you're enjoying the video so far, remember to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's talk about another popular decentralized application built using smart contracts, which is called Aave. Aave is a decentralized lending protocol that allows users to lend, borrow, and earn interest on crypto assets, all without a centralized intermediary and entirely built using smart contracts and code on Ethereum. Users can deposit assets into a pool, which is then paid out to other users who wish to borrow those same assets. Traditionally, to get a loan, you'd need to go to a bank and provide multiple points of ID, credit scores, fill out a bunch of paperwork, and the institution would require some form of collateral. In the case of a car loan, that would be the car title itself. And each month, then you would go and you would pay down the principal and interest. Whereas in the world of Web3 and decentralized finance, there is no bank or institution, simply smart contracts and computer code that live on a blockchain. And to take out a loan, you could use crypto assets as collateral. Just like Uniswap, anyone with a Web3 wallet and internet connection can use protocols like Aave to lend, borrow, and earn on their crypto assets. Today, Aave supports over 30 different cryptocurrencies and has just under $14 billion of assets locked in the lending pool. Pretty cool, right? And all of this is made possible thanks to smart contracts. In future videos, I'll show you step-by-step how you can lend, borrow, and earn passive income on your cryptocurrencies using Aave and other decentralized lending applications. Smart contracts are also the technology behind NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are different from fungible tokens like Ethereum or Bitcoin, where one Bitcoin is just the same as another, right? One Bitcoin can be exchanged, swapped, or replaced. It's still just one Bitcoin. Whereas non-fungible tokens are completely unique and irreplaceable. It's like if you had a signed copy of a baseball card or a really rare first edition Harry Potter book, right? They're completely unique, but they're digital assets. And today, NFTs are used to represent ownership in the digital world. We've seen things like artworks, collectibles, videos, memes, music, in-game items, virtual land, and even real-world items like intellectual property or tickets to an event all be turned into NFTs. These NFTs are often created or minted through smart contracts. It sounds complicated, I know, but it's really not. As a user, you mint NFTs through web applications, like web applications you're already used to. It's a very similar experience to buying a product from an online store, for example. But instead of the application sending your purchase request directly to the store owner, and the store owner then shipping your product out to you, right? The purchase request gets sent to the blockchain. And the smart contract, which lives on the blockchain, will actually execute that transaction, and it will send you back the items you've purchased or minted, and it would deduct the balance of Ethereum or whatever it cost from your wallet. So you'd simply enter how many NFTs you wish. The application would, wish to mint. The application would send that request to the blockchain, deduct the cost of the NFT from your Web3 wallet, and then send you back that digital asset called an NFT. And because every transaction on the blockchain is verified and transparent and secure, anyone can prove the authenticity and true ownership of that NFT. I'm sure you've probably noticed that NFTs have become insanely popular lately. According to data published by DappRadar, NFT sales volume hit $25 billion in 2021, compared to just $95 million the year before. So whatever you think of NFTs, this kind of growth is really worth paying attention to. And it's only been possible thanks to smart contracts. Now, look, over the last few years, entrepreneurs and builders have dreamed up some amazing applications for smart contracts. We've seen billion-dollar applications created in lending, trading, derivatives, synthetic assets, NFTs, play-to-earn gaming, and much, much more. As of right now, real-world adoption in smart contracts is being driven primarily by the decentralized finance industry. But like any other nascent technology, new and exciting applications are emerging every single day. And many of these applications have the potential to change the way we live and do business. And in future videos, we'll actually dissect and analyze some of these projects and applications so that you can get ahead of the curve, right? And you can see what opportunities are coming down the line with smart contracts. So if you enjoyed the video, remember to drop us a comment below and let us know what you think about smart contracts and what they could potentially do in the future. Or if you have any questions about how smart contracts work. We reply to every single comment, and we really appreciate you dropping comments down below. And for more videos like this one, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Until next time, and thanks for watching ThreeZero.